This Victron Energy MultiPlus-II pure sine wave inverter charger is like the Swiss Army knife of power. It takes 12-volt battery power and turns it into smooth 120-volt power. Like what comes from the wall in your house or office. This means you can run your normal appliances and electronics even when you are not plugged into the grid. It also has a smart charger built in. This charger can fill up your 120-amp battery quickly and safely, so you always have power when you need it. The Victron Energy MultiPlus-II pure sine wave does more than just invert and charge. It has a cool feature called PowerAssist. Imagine you are using a small generator, and suddenly you need a lot of power. Like when you turn on a microwave, the MultiPlus-II can jump in and add extra power from your battery. This stops your generator from getting overloaded and shutting down. It is like having a superhero for your power system. Plus, if the power from the grid goes out, the Victron Energy MultiPlus-II pure sine wave switches over to battery power super fast. Your lights and devices will keep running without even a blink. For customers who want a reliable power solution, this inverter charger is a great fit. It has many features that make it stand out. The pure sine wave output means it provides clean power, which is important for sensitive electronics. Details like the strong build and smart charging make it a dependable choice. While it is a powerful piece of art in the world of power, it is also easy to understand and use. The Victron Energy MultiPlus-II pure sine wave helps you rest easy, knowing your power needs are covered, whether you are on the road or in your home. Pros: Power Assist feature, UPS function, remote monitoring, parallel operation, 3-phase option, split-phase option, ESS functionality, high efficiency, low idle power. Cons: needs extra hardware, MK3 USB dongle. Cost: challenging for new users, requires careful setup. Large battery bank needed. High DC current draw. Wiring needs careful sizing. Potential for DC ripple. Not a true online UPS. Install can be tricky. Features: pure sine wave inverter, also a battery charger, for 120 amp batteries, operates at 120 volts. 3000 VA power rating, designed for 12-volt systems, has power assist feature, offers UPS function. Remote monitoring possible, allows parallel operation. This Victron Energy MultiPlus-II is like a helpful tool that does two main jobs for a 12-volt battery system. First, it's a pure sine wave inverter, which means it can take the power from your 12-volt batteries and change it into the kind of electricity, 120 V, that many of your home devices use. Second, it's also a battery charger, so it can fill up your 120 amp batteries when you have a power source. It has a 3000 VA power rating, which tells you how much power it can handle. A cool feature called Power Assist helps it use battery power to boost the power from a limited source, like a generator, so things don't get overloaded. It can even act like a UPS, providing power if the main electricity goes out. You can check on it from far away, and if you need more power later, you can connect it with other similar devices. The Victron Energy MultiPlus-II is a versatile 12-volt, 3000 VA pure sine wave inverter charger with a 120 amp battery charging capability, offering features like Power Assist to prevent AC source overload, an uninterruptible power supply, UPS function for seamless power during outages, and remote monitoring when paired with additional hardware. It supports parallel and 3-phase operation for increased power, as well as split-phase systems and energy storage system functionality for optimized energy use, while highly efficient with low idle power, requiring extra hardware. Setting it up can be tricky for beginners, often needing a large battery bank, careful wiring due to high DC current draw and potential DC ripple. and the purchase of an MK3 USB dongle for full programming. Also, it's important to note that its UPS function is not a true online UPS.